Yes, ma'am.
Before proceeding to the proper appearances of our applicants for accreditation, may I know if the officers of Akbayan, Youth, Iligan, and Lanao, Iligan City Urban Poor and Sectoral Assembly, Majestic Waterfalls Eagles Club, Golden Stairs, First Foundation. Mr. Chair, I would like to move for the suspension of internal rules. May I move, Mr. Chair?
Any second. It has been moved by Member Africans and then by Member Pacanya. Any discussion? Objection? The rules is suspended.
In view of that suspension, may I request all the guests, two representatives to come forward and take the seats in front of us.
We recognize the presence of Member Caballero.
We would like to hear from you first. Introduce yourself, and second is introducing yourself each. Then we will just ask respective organization to please tell us the very purpose of your society or organization.
Maghapon sa tanan, no? Ako si Afin Kamagaro. Actually, I am the Vice President for External sa Urban Port. Ang naarin ni sa ato ang Urban Port is si Susan Escalon. Pero wala siya din karon. Wala siya din karon.
Susan Escalona.
Escalon.
Escalona.
Lain
Escalona is
Escalona is Juan San Miguel.
Okay.
Oo. Then, mo represent na lang ko as mintras nga wala siya, kay isupod nga wala yung Juan So, our purpose is to to have our Juan, kaning hinahanglan ang ato ang mga members o kanang resettlement areas or housing para sa atong mga nasunugan, katong blood victims para sa sindong o katong mga orphan nga hangtod karon ipapahawa sa ilahang mga tagsa-tagsa ka ibuyan nga dili milayuta. Mao na ang pinakadako nga tumong sa among grupo.
So in other words, ma'am, you are only organizing for the resettlement made by the government, program of the government.
We are the partners sa tanan ng mga programa sa ato ang gobyerno para palaganap ang ato ang mga kaayuhan ng programs dito sa ato ang mga communities.
That occupies the urban poor.
Yes.
So, what was the coverage, ma'am, of your organization?
The coverage actually is organized siya o kanang federation.
The area.
Area.
Barangay.
As of me, ang barangay namin is barangay Apin na Planon. Nakakaroy ginagtukod nga resettlement nga 100 houses dito sa barangay Apin na Planon na Korok 10. Basta pa lang sila, sir.
So in short, your area of coverage with respect to your organization or Urban is only limited to the settlement within your upper barangay na Planon.
Dili sir, kay federation man siya, as in federation.
Okay.
The whole area of daghan kami nga group. We have 51 ka Urban Poor organization.
I would like to clarify because the accreditation being applied is Iligan City Urban Poor and Sectoral Assembly. Is this a federation?
Yes, sir.
So,
Ang federation sa ato ang Urban Core na ay pupaan.
yes. So this is the one that you're referring to. Hindi na po ba?
Ay pupaan.
Federation. Okay.
Federation sa Urban
We
Core.
understand that your coverage is wide. No?
Yes, sir. Yes, we want the organization entire.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Any
Member Abrogan, we will recognize the presence of members for noted.
Mana mas Caballero? Mas Caballero siya kaya sa ko. Dala niya po. Okay. Anyway, do we know, is there, you're the president, no? Anyway, we have already, I have already thoroughly asked the vice president of the purpose and coverage area. Now, I think, do we know if all of you, you want, we will proceed first before we will question to short in time.
Proceed first.
Okay, ma'am, you are the representative of,
Golden Stairs West Foundation.
ma'am, you just introduce yourself. Okay, Golden Stairs West Foundation. Ma'am, what is the purpose of your foundation?
So good afternoon, sir, and everyone here.
Introduce yourself.
Yes, I am Desiree Aurelia, the president of Golden Stairs Quest Foundation. We are a spiritual-based group. We engage in meditation, study, and service. Currently, the members are mostly retired. It happens they are professors from NCIIT and some from the industry like
But not
me.
tired, no, not tired. Retired only.
Retired only because there's on the go for service. Yes, and other earnest seekers. We would like to be in the thick of things because spirituality is not only being in silence and quiet. It is being in the midst of the world and bringing whatever light and peace that we can. And besides, we are retirees, so we are at the phase of our lives where we are making legacies, and we have our experience and our academic credentials. So we believe that we can share whatever good we can for Ligan City.
So you have no specific religion,
No.
it is
All religions are welcome.
spiritual and moral religion,
Yes, and ethics.
ethics. Thank you, ma'am. How about you? Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am representing the Majestic Waterfalls Eagles Club of Northern Mindanao Region 2 under the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, as the club president for the Eagle Year 2025. Our club is committed to several community engagement and services since 2019. We covered most of the community needs from health, education. In fact, we are focusing more on medical missions and distribution of school kits and materials from hinterlands down to coastal schools who are in need of our assistance. The club is composed of different personalities from business, private sectors, people who are involved in the LGU. That makes our club unique, and our commitment to service is our priority.
Do you know how many Eagle clubs here in the Ligan?
Under Northern Mindanao Region 2, we are 19, and that includes one from international, the Metro Thailand Eagles Club.
In Iligan only?
Yes. we have two regions in Iligan, actually, Northern Mindanao Region 2 and Northern Mindanao Region 8. So our club belongs to Northern Mindanao Region 2, among the 19 clubs.
Iligan, that is covered by within Iligan.
Yes, yes.
It's better because that is the first time that Iligan City alone district has two regions.
Yes, sir.
Region 1 and 2. Anyway, thank you, sir. Kuya.
So, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon to our dear councilors, to our local vice mayor. Good afternoon. So, I am Carl Anthony Ong, representing Akbayan Youth League and Lanao. I currently sit as the interim vice president of AY League and Lanao. Our organization, as you may know, is a progressive organization. We are the youth arm of Akbayan Party List. But despite that, we are an independent body composed of primarily youth. We are committed to promote social justice and human rights, and as well as active and meaningful youth participation, especially in local governance. We aim to empower the youth to take part in local governance and take up their democratic spaces. We aim to foster youth who are well aware and who are participating in the issues that surrounds their localities and even in our country, and allow them, give them spaces for their voices to be heard, and to push for policies, partner with our city councilors and their respective committees in order to advance legislative agendas that will benefit the community and the different sectors.
Thank you. In other words, you are protecting human rights, promoting human rights and social justice. So you are, in short, a watchdog of the people,
Yes,
to hearing officials and others. Oh. Isa may pre-note din. Isa mo na. Kuan. Inutan na, sige. Okay.
Magapon sa inyong pag-present mo para lalo ba. Ano ang communication bilang sa Philippine National Police? Ang masawa ng paragraph number 3, you are hereby directed to coordinate with your respective LGU and remind them to provide support in the conduct of background investigations, pursuance of civil society organization, security clearances. Ang tanong na po, nag-secure mo, do you have security clearances already o na pa?
Councilor, actually, that is not included in the as one of the requirements by the Iligan City Planning Development Office. I suggest that you forward that to that office because this office is responsible for screening whether or not they have already complied with the requirements. If that is what the requirements, then next session, if we'll have an appearance, we'll ask them if they have secured. Any more? No? Yes. Councilor Bertas.
Thank you, Councilor Paul. Ano na to? Just we want to hear your ideas as to what's good, so to see of our country. With the present issue of our country, ano ang komentaryo? Being as a watchdog, kay mo na isa sa aim sa tuwang sa inyong mag-upgrading. So, what are your comments, ideas with the present issue of our country today? Being as a watchdog of our community.
Ayun. So, I really want to ask pagmumulungan siguro. Ayun, so as a watchdog or even as a concerned citizen of our country, especially now that our country is facing corruption scandals, our country is facing issues on accountability and transparency. What we need to do now is more than ever, we have to take part and to engage. We have to create dialogues, we have to push for agendas, policies that will ensure na yung pondo ng ating bayan, yung pondo na dapat lamang sa mga different mga sectors is actually given to these sectors. We have to inform ourselves and to inform others, to engage our active citizenship na makialam, makilahok, at makibaka. Always exercise your voice and exercise the democratic spaces meant for the youth and for each resident of this country.
Ginawa ba ninyo yan? Ang ako lang, ginawa ba ninyo yung dapat gawin sa watchdog of our country?
I believe,
Kamuhan natin as a youth, kamuhan will give you the brain of the mga pananon kung sa may yung gibuhat, kung sa mga kung tanaw dyan yung gibuhat. Kay grabe naman ko na ito ang issue ganon, through corruption. And I know yung grupo, Akbayan is against corruption. Then, nakita nato murang gunak ko, hilo mo to.
and so, Akbayan Youth has different chapters in the country, and actually sa Iligan is bago lang pina-organize, and we're still organizing ourselves. But what we have done, especially with other chapters and the best practices like in Baguio or in other mga localities, Akbayan Youth has partnered with their respective mga LGUs to push for policies that ensure na transparent ang ilang LGU and held accountable yun, and ensure na civil society and youth has spaces, especially in different committees and local special bodies, that they are part of the discussions and they are part in the room of decision making. So actually, atong miagi is we have partnered with the Office of City Councilor Nicole Mapampangan. We have endorsed the policy agendas to her office, like the City
Anyway,
Councilor.
sir, the question was very simple. Sa hindi kong buhat. We are not nakaiwan. Same na itong life. It's not there have to be done nothing about corruption. Okay, but the question is related to corruption. Mr. Chair, I would like to move for the restoration of order and numbers. I move.
The second, it has been moved by Member Apagan, seconded by Member Pagania. The rules is restored.